Are you a first home buyer looking to get your foot onto the property ladder, or an investor that's looking for a great opportunity? 3 bedrooms, easy care, low maintenance, great Milson location? Then come on and check out 7 Jupiter Street. Well, there you have it, folks. That's 7 Jupiter Street here in Milson. Great property. It should be at the top of your shopping list. I'm Blair Alabaster from Property Brokers. Give me a call to arrange your private viewing. Otherwise, I'll see you at the open home.